Canada's longest, tallest, and fastest launch coaster now has an opening date, and it's this weekend. Welcome back to Ghoster Coasters, everybody, and a huge shout out goes out to all of our channel members and subscribers. Thank you guys for being part of the journey. We have some very exciting news coming out of Canada's Wonderland. Alpenfury will open to park guests this Saturday. Canada's Wonderland's newest ride begins in the iconic Wonder Mountain, where riders are launched into the darkness before a second boost propels the train vertically through the mountain's summit. The newest addition to Canada's Wonderland's already pretty big lineup is a premier ride, Skyrocket, that races along 3,280 feet of track, with a height of 164 feet and a top speed of nearly 72 miles per hour. The park did a phenomenal job with the Wonder Mountain edition, and the 9 versions are sure to pack a punch for guests getting a ride this weekend. And pass holders, you guys get access to the ride an hour early from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. on July 12th. One of the most anticipated rides of 2025 now has an opening date, and riders all across the world will get a chance to ride and give their reviews of the newest Premier Rides coaster. The trains look sleek, the ride looks like it packs a punch, and riders should anticipate a wonderful launch of Alpenfury. Are you planning on getting a ride this summer? Let me know down below, and of course, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and a huge shout out again goes out to all of our channel members. I can't wait to get over to Canada's Wonderland for a ride on Alpenfury myself. As always, thank you for being a part of our spooky community and for coaster ghosting with Ghoster Coasters.